Hello viewers, what if ChatGPT could turn a rough drawing into a working website, explain difficult mathematics from a photo, analyze a sample portfolio, or help you recreate a meal? In this video, I will show you 7 powerful prompts for saving business and daily life. Watch until the end because the final prompt can help you improve almost any photo before posting it online. Hello everyone, welcome back to FutureByte. ChatGPT can work with more than ordinary text. You can upload images, screenshots, spreadsheets, and other files for you to examine. For a current video, we will simply call the product ChatGPT instead of trying the title to one other model. Then let's begin. Okay, without wasting time, we are going to start. So the first one is to turn a sketch into a web page. So all you need to do is to just draw a simple web page and then upload it to ChatGPT and use the prompt. So a simple web page sketch having a layout and then a logo, a navigation bar, a heading, a paragraph, and a button. After sketching that, you just have to upload it to the ChatGPT and then use the prompt. So just write the HTML and CSS code for the web page shown in this sketch and make it responsive. Explain how to run it. So with that, ChatGPT will generate a useful static print, although you should test and adjust the final code. Okay, the second is a portfolio review. So we are going to review a sample investment portfolio. So all we need to do is just to upload and then we are going to use a prompt. So in this video, I'm just going to use a demonstration workbook and this is the prompt. Analyze this investment portfolio, explain the assets, allocation, diversification, mental risk, and overall performance. Identify areas that may require further research. So with this prompt, ChatGPT will do the rest for you. But just don't forget that you have to use fictional data on screen and hide private account numbers or account details. And remember that AI assistant is not a professional financial service or financial advice. Okay, the third prompt is they are going to solve a mathematic question with uploading a photo to ChatGPT. So we are going to upload a photo to ChatGPT for it to solve the math question for us. This is simple. What we are going to do is to solve the mathematics from a picture, we are just going to upload a software worksheet and this is the prompt. Solve the advanced mathematics problem, show every step, explain formula used, and verify each final answer. With this prompt, ChatGPT will do everything for you. So, and you see, this is most useful when you ask for the reasoning, not only the answer. And you have to always take important calculation. Okay, the fourth one is stock analysis. Fourth, analyze stock data and create charts. So open the historical stock data sheets in the workbook, upload it and enter. Analyze the stock data in this spreadsheet. Calculate percentage changes, identify important trends, and create clear visualization. Explain what each chart shows. So with this sample and with the prompt that we just giving to ChatGPT, you can see that the sample numbers are fictional and are embedded only for demonstration. Okay, the fifth one is a dish from a photo. So you are going to create a dish from a photo using ChatGPT. So it's very simple. What we are going to do is just to identify and recreate a dish. So we are going to upload a jollof rice photograph and ask ChatGPT to identify the likely dish in this photo. Give me a short description, list the ingredient, and provide a simple step-by-step recipe. Mention any uncertainty. That final sentence matters because different dishes can look similar. With this, ChatGPT will then give us everything that is needed to reproduce the same dish. Okay, so the sixth one, we are going to use ChatGPT as a personal stylist. So using ChatGPT as a personal stylist, we are going to upload a fictional outfit look, photograph, and ask, and here is the prompt. Review this outfit and recommend practical ways to improve it. Suggest substitution, accessory, color combination, and fit adjustment. Give the recommendation within a budget of 500 Ghana cedis. You can add the occasion, maybe a wedding, a party, and all that. Then you will get a better result. Okay, so the seventh one is photo editing consultant. So finally, as for professional photo editing advice, you use the outfit image or upload your own or sensitive photograph and enter the prompt. Review this photograph and recommend specific improvement to each cropped, lightening, contrast, color, balance, and sharpness. Give me step-by-step instruction for making those changes in Photoshop. Keep the result natural and avoid excessive skin smoothing. Triple Photoshop with Canva or iFlow if necessary. And simple as that, ChatGPT will just give you exactly that. Voila, we are done. So those are the 7 powerful ChatGPT prompts we can use for study, business, and everyday activities. Which one you'll try first? Tell me in the comments. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe to FutureByte, and turn on your notification. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.